Alright, that's chicken. 2 chicken breasts. And this is kettle cooked sweet honey molasses by KC Masterpiece. So we're having some barbecue on a grilled chicken. How much should I put in there? Less than I'm gonna. Alright. And we'll close that bag up. Ooh, mix this in real nice. Yep, needs more, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that smells nice. Now, I guess sweet and a little spicy too, so we'll put some sriracha in there. Not a lot. Alright, and then that's gonna absorb that goodness. Absorb the goodness. And mix it in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Woohoo! And let that get ready to go on. Alright, halfway through. Alright, gonna do this again. Eat one ear real quick. And that chicken's finishing. Whoa! Trying to be quick. I also forgot those little corn plates, you know, that you put an ear of corn in. Because I wasn't expecting corn this time of year. That's good stuff. Alright. Taste test. That's really good. I like that garlic and peppercorn as a butter. Okay, I'm gonna eat really fast. Ate one ear of corn real fast. Now this chicken is done. Oh my. Oh man, that looks good. Nicely cooked, huh? Tasted very good. It's got a nice little glaze on it. That's some nice chicken. Alright. Flyovers are fun. Alright. That's a good flyover. Nice good looking chicken, I think. You think? Ah, not so close. That's a good barbecue sauce. Have a great and wonderful day.